Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books. We've got 2 Christmas books in our series, Kua Tai Mai Te Pō and E Hianga Moi. And so today I thought I'd talk to you a little bit about some ideas for how to make the most of E Hianga Moi, which means how many sleeps. And I'm doing this today because today, when I'm doing this, is December the 15th. And there are exactly 10 sleeps until Santa comes, and that's what it is in this book. So if you do happen to have this book and are thinking of ways to use it, here's a couple of other ideas about that. There's lots of ideas in the section, in the follow-up ideas section, and it's a very kind of obvious in some ways way that you can do it. Like there's these little circle pictures here. You can make 10 stars and all the different numbers there going down, and then you've got pictures of them here that you can use as well. So you can do quite a few different art activities with those, particularly if you want to do, starting today, you could do it with decorating a tree if you don't already have a tree, or you could make a tree out of, you know, green triangles or whatever you can easily make a tree mural out of, and then each day leading up to Christmas decorate it with pictures that the children have drawn. For example, 10 sleeps to go, 10 stars. But you don't have to choose these ones, and you don't have to choose them in this order, because you might want to have 10 Christmas hats. Just change the numbers around. It doesn't have to match this book. Have fun with it and do what suits you and the children. They might like doing quite a different idea. Nothing of these. They might have some other things that they would like on their Christmas tree. And so if they're making other things to go on the Christmas tree, an invented one, not necessarily a tree if you have already got a tree up, then they could put the 10 things up when there's 10 sleeps to go, the 9 things up when there's 9 sleeps to go, etc., all the way through to 1 sleep to go, and then it's Santa coming tomorrow. So think kind of outside the box. Think about that. Think also about how you could add music, that the children could play with this, some musical instruments with this. It's quite a very kind of jazzy tune, and when I'm doing this in my performance, I sometimes have little bell bracelets here, if you've got some of those, and get them when they're playing the song to ring their bells, or invisible bells, ring invisible bells, or whatever little bells you've got. You know, add your own music to the tune. Find some percussion instruments to add your own music as well, and just expand on the book and make it, it's already quite a lot of fun, but make it even more fun with your own ideas. Ka kite.